is a typical type of treatment known as the Rakta Mokshana. Rakta Mokshan basically means bloodletting. It is like removing the blood out from your body. So in this treatment, in certain areas of the body, it is generally done for the Pitta dosha or to purify the blood. But in cases where the Pitta is associated, the fire element is associated, and you have pain, there are different therapies, different types. One is where you directly cut the area and the blood is removed, the capillary blood is removed. Then there is cupping method where you prick the area and then you cup and suck the blood out. For this, we have two different things. Conch shells are used. Alabu, one thing which is named as Alabu, is used for this. Then there are the one which you can see in the picture is the leech therapy. We directly apply leech over the skin, over the area which is inflamed and which has pain, because this will remove the impure blood, and it at up to certain extent relieves a lot of pain and inflammation, because the leech is believed to suck only the impure blood and it won't remove the pure blood. And there are methods to remove this leech, because once it gets stuck to your body, it's not easy to remove it. But with turmeric and things like that, we have ways to remove this leech. Most important thing again here would be that you have to understand that pain is something which shows some kind of pathology, so do not ignore it. But on the other hand, because Western medicine after a level has certain side effects associated to it, the painkillers or the analgesics, there are certain conditions like diabetes or people with hypertension who cannot take painkillers, or people with kidney failures cannot take painkillers. And for those conditions, Ayurveda can be very important, and do consider Ayurveda. But please don't think for a magic pill or a magic treatment which can cure your pain with just a single pin like the modern medicine does. You have to make an equal effort as your doctor is making into Ayurveda. So you will have to change your diet, you will have to change your lifestyle according to your Ayurveda physician, and certainly you can deal with pain in much better, much effective way, and also deal with other symptoms in a holistic way through Ayurveda. Thank you so much.